The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit is a high-torque tool, delivering 1,030 foot-pounds of max fastening torque and 1,400 foot-pounds of max breakaway torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications such as large-sized pipe flanges, grooved couplings, wheel lugs, and concrete anchor bolt setting. The impact wrench features a 4-mode speed setting and variable speed trigger, increasing user control and versatility in various applications. The DEWALT 20V Max Impact Wrench is designed to prevent over-tightening and fastener runoff with its precision wrench control. The tool includes a feature called BATTERYGUARD, a shock-absorbing battery-to-tool connection which helps reduce wear and tear on the battery. The DEWALT 20V Max Impact Wrench comes with an on-tool LED work light which illuminates dark workspaces, increasing safety and efficiency. The tool is highly rated with a review score of 4.8 out of 5 and has been reviewed by 938 customers, reflecting its high quality and user satisfaction.